Hey everyone, today we're at Mattel and we're checking out all of the brand new toys for this year, including Disney cars, Dino trucks, Blaze and the Monster Machines, and more. And first we're going to check out a Terra Climber. Now this is the world's first RC car that can climb stairs. It looks kind of like a lizard. It's pretty cool. Alright, now watch this. Check it out, it's climbing the stairs. This thing is awesome. Alright, now let's watch it one more time go up the stairs. And then we're going to have it go down this rock path. Oh, it almost fell off. And down it goes. This thing is super cool. Now this is a relaunching of an older toy called Stinky the Garbage Truck. This guy's awesome because he looks kind of like a huge robot, maybe a bit like a transformer. So he's able to stand up on his hind wheels, he's able to talk and move his lights. He just ate a car. Uh-oh, Stinky, where's it going? It's gonna come right out the back of him. Oh, and there's the car right there. So this guy can eat any sort of cars, Disney cars. He could probably also eat action figures as well. So he talks, has a bunch of phrases, he's kind of funny. He also dances a little bit, and you can see that the lights and his mouth are able to move when he's talking and dancing. And now let's check out Rip Spin Warriors. These things are awesome. So we're going to spin these little characters down. They're going to go into this battle sort of arena at the bottom there, and then they're going to battle it out. So atop here, you can't see it too well, we have Batman versus Joker. So we've ripcorded them, they go down another in the arena fighting, and whoa, Batman's mask fell off. Alright, let's see who wins. They're going to fight, they're going to hit each other. I think Batman's going to win because, yes, Joker fell down. And look, now Batman's dancing around him. And now we have one of the Ninja Turtles fighting, and whoa! He blasted that guy! And we have all sorts of characters to choose from. There's Michelangelo and Leonardo from the Ninja Turtles. We have SupeRman, Captain America, Iron Man. We have the Hulk right here. And then we have Batman, Joker, Superman, and the Flash. Now let's check out some of the brand new Batman vs. Superman action figures and toys. There's the crazy Batmobile that's able to withstand Superman. And here's the logo of the upcoming movie. And then we have Superman. We've got Batman in his fully armored suit. Another Batman in the back there. And there's a couple more Batmans and Supermans with different outfits. And then look in the middle. It's Aquaman. And then down below we of course have Wonder Woman. And just in time for the upcoming reboot, we have the Ghostbusters with all 4 Ghostbuster women. And of course the lovable Marshmallow Man in the background. Now let's check out our brand new Mickey Mouse Clubhouse design. This thing is awesome as well. So first we have this little zip line where Mickey Mouse can get into his hot air balloon and ride down the zip line. He can also ride down this swirly slide, and when he comes out he lands right in his car. And now let's check out some of my favorite, the Disney cars. So on this side of the display, we have Lightning leading all of the Disney car racers. From the Piston Cup, we've got the King, we have Chick Hicks, Leakless, a bunch of cars from the first Disney Cars movie. Here we have a lot of spectators. We have Fillmore, we've got Holly. Check out that Lightning that's both blue and red. And then on the other side, we've got the Disney cars from the second movie from the World Grand Prix. And we've got Lightning leading the pack too. Here's some Rusty's cars right there, some Rust cars. We've got this crazy little pickup truck here. We've got Ramon and a couple of new cars that are going to be coming out for this year. And then we have some Disney Cars 2 bad guys. You can see that they both have their blowtorches and their masks on. And then look at this, it's Bessie. Now I don't know if they're coming out with a new Bessie, I hope they do. We have Miles Axelrod in the background there, and then a couple more spectator cars with Otis, you can see there, and a motorhome. There's Mater with cones in his mouth and a cone on top of his head. A couple more rusted out cars. And then down below are a couple of the spectator cars that are seen in the audience in the first Disney Cars. We also have Red, we have John Lasseter, we have Mac. And then over here are the delinquent road hazards, Wingo, Boo, Snot Rod, and DJ. And then look at these brand new cars. Check it out. We push him down, his tires flare out, and his tongue sticks out. With Doc, it looks like he's talking by moving his tires and his mouth. Sheriff, the same thing, moves his tires and his mouth. And we even have Ramon, who can kind of go up on his hydraulics. And then we have Mater, whose tires also flare out. And look, his engine moves side to side. And then check out these little Toy Story characters. We've got Woody and Jessie in black and white, just like their old cartoon show. We have the Alien, Rex. We have Trixie, Bullseye, Lotso for the Lotso Lovin' Bear. There's Buzz again, and of course Zurg. And then we have some of the larger action figures: Rex, Buzz, Jesse, and Woody. Okay, time to check out some new Dino Trucks. Now this first one we have here, I think this is a Destruction Dino Trucks because he drills. This one looks like a dragonfly that he can actually clamp down on things. Now we've got this one right here. This is a steamroller, and the one behind him is Tyrux caught in a bunch of oil, and then finally Darby. Now I've got to show this for my daughter who loves the new Dora the Explorer in the city, and this is her new backpack. If you remember, she found this backpack and she had to repair it. So this is a new interactive backpack with this watch right here. You can press the button on the watch and the backpack will actually talk back and forth. You can also place things inside the backpack. And you can see that there's a map right there, and Dora even has a cell phone. Now let's check out Blaze and the Monster Machines. There are tons of new Blaze cars and a new Blaze track set. So this is called the Flip and Race Speedway, and you can see Blaze goes from a monster machine to a race car. Alright, so let's check this out. We have Darrington doing all of the daring stunts like moving on this track. And look, he goes up and around. This thing is a lot of fun. But now let's move the lever over on the top there, and then check it out. Darrington's gonna go down that alternative path. We stick him in there, and then we can flip him over, have him transform into a race car as well, and then back down. Now let's check out all the new race cars. So we have Blaze, we got Blaze painted in black, a pirate, we have Crusher who's dressed up with yellow tires, we've got Snow Blaze, then we have a Sphinx from Egypt, a crazy garbage truck, a construction worker, and a knight. And check out this new Blaze RC car. So Blaze can take off, but we don't think that's fast enough. So he's gonna stop, we're gonna back up, and he's gonna transform into a race car. Check it out, he's got these little side wings, he has a spoiler. This thing is awesome. And now he can really fly. Alright, now let's back him up into a circle and have him transform back into a monster machine. And check it out, Blaze is now going into Mega Block form. There are tons of new Mega Block playsets for Blaze. Check out this one, this is really cool. There's some gears up top here, and we can actually have Blaze go down that little ramp and through the little entry point. So we have Blaze atop this platform right here. We can turn the gears around, and then we can have him move down the platform just by pressing that, and down he goes. And last but not least, we're going to check out all of the Mega BlOks Despicable Me toys and characters. And there are tons of little figures from Despicable Me. In the background here, we have a couple of little play sets. There's a Despicable Me dressed up as a knight. And then we have the ice cream truck. And down below this platform, there is a huge wall of Despicable Me characters. So check it out. It is tons and tons of characters from the newer movies and from the older movies. And if you're lucky, you can collect them all. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Toys Review Toys channel. Let me know in the comments which of all the toys you saw would be your favorite. And then click on a picture to watch another fun video, or test your luck by clicking on the box to watch a surprise video. Have a great day.